Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, lock your phone and try to unlock. I have set no password, so firstly I would like to set alphanumeric password. So follow my video so that you can also yourself set your own alphanumeric password. Okay, so first go to the settings of your phone here. Okay, then go to lock screen, and here select screen lock type, and here select password and type your alphanumeric password. Password must contain at least 4 characters including at least 1 letter. Okay, so here I would like to set password as pingy5. Okay, I have used pingy contains 5 letters. Okay, and one number I used. Okay, minimum 4 should be used. Okay, and click on continue, and again you go to type the same one. Okay, so type pingy5. Okay, click on OK, and yes, it is set now, and it is asking that whether to show content over lock screen or not. Okay, if you would like to use default settings, click on done. Okay, and go to the home screen. Now lock your phone and try to unlock. Okay, it is asking your new password. Okay, so password here in my case pingy5. Give your own password. Okay, click on done. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily set alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.